Did you know that it is possible to get more leads, clients, and sales by writing articles? Hi, I'm Ramon Tarruella, and today I'm going to teach you the importance of using article marketing to promote your online business. The article marketing technique has been used for many years. It started from media publications to evolve into the web. Many experts claim that it is timeless, which makes it extremely important in what is known as the digital age. The reason why article marketing is considered very important is because it focuses on the fact that it not only serves to increase the content of your website, but it also helps to increase the ranking of your website in search engines, which results in high quality traffic for your website. All this means that the probability of obtaining more buyers of your articles increase considerably. Many of these new clients may be from states or countries other than yours. In other words, through article marketing, you manage to expand the scope of your online business. Now I'm going to share with you several ways to use article marketing to get potential customers to your website. Number one, choose the keywords that best suit your product. You can achieve this simply by choosing the most relevant keywords for your business and products. Potential customers look for these words in search engines. Search engines provide the results related to search terms, which make them click on the links they get and visit your website. Number two, publish your articles in online networks. You can publish your articles in specialized online networks for this. There are several article submission sites which are known as directories. Similarly, there are the so-called article search engines where you can send your articles for free. Number three, publish your articles on blog or website of friends and acquaintances. You can also post articles on blog or website of friends and acquaintances who work in the same industry. Number four, create and sell ebooks. In case you have already written many articles, you can categorize them to make better use of it. You can, for example, create an ebook that you can sell online. Number five, publish your articles on e-zine sites. Another option is to send your articles to the so-called e-zines. These sites will drive a lot of traffic to your website and they are very well organized. Article marketing is important to your online business. So, can we say that article marketing is important to promote your online business? The answer is yes. Here are some of the advantages that you can get by using article marketing. Number one, your articles do not have to be very long. By writing articles of only 300 to 500 words, you will be able to communicate with your readers on a more personal level than a banner can. The reality is that many people ignore the banners. They are convinced that they represent a waste of time. They always try to avoid them. Number two, you don't have to be an expert. One of the best advantages of using article marketing is that you should not be an expert writer to explain to your reader what your product is about. Similarly, it represents a simpler way to do it and make it others understand your message quickly. Number three, you can outsource your article marketing. In case writing is not your strong suit, you can hire specialized people who can understand the message of your business and can put it in words so that your customers will enjoy reading. Recommendation for article marketing. Starting to use article marketing can be difficult for some. Here are some tips that you can use when writing and publishing your articles. Number one, write draft first. In case you have trouble writing your articles, I recommend that you write some drafts first. Read them and validate that they are consistent before publishing them on the web. Number two, put yourself in the shoes of your potential customer. In order to get people to get your items to online search engines, you must put yourself in the shoes and understand what they're really looking for. In this way, you can write your articles based on the needs they present, and thus makes them more effective in terms of selling your products and services online. Remember that you must get them to trust you, so you should keep this in mind when you write your articles. Number three, write in second person. Write your articles in the second person In this way, you will be able to reach more potential clients since they will feel that you are talking to them. In this way, you will create a relationship with them, which will help you a lot when selling your products. After viewing this video, you should understand the importance of using article marketing to promote your online business. In case you still do not have it clear, I would like you to comment in the comment section. What doubts do you still have about it? I would also like to know if you have had any experience using article marketing. Was it positive? Did you manage to increase your sales? Please comment on it. The only way to make this information productive to your business is by applying it right now. Put it in practice at this precise moment. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive some free information on how to use article marketing to promote your online business. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell that is next to the subscribe button. This way, you will receive alert in your YouTube account and in your email the precise moment when I publish a new video, so you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you the best of luck using article marketing. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.